10 satisfying dishes, easy and delicious. 10 satisfying dishes made with love by Yacht Master Chef JEN. We all know that cooking is an art and it requires a lot of skills. But some chefs are so talented that they can create amazing dishes with the least amount of ingredients. Here's another 10 recipes are made by Yacht Master Chef JEN. 11. Burger-style English Sunday roast. Our first dish is a Tastes of Great Britain English Sunday roast burger. Vegan Blueberries Cheesecake. Vegan blueberries cheesecake is a very popular dessert recipe. Sourdough bread. 'Researchers say it's originated in ancient Egypt around 1500 BC. 14. Egg Benedict. Eggs Benedict is a popular American breakfast or brunch dish. Beef cheek stew with sweet potato and celeriac mash. 'It's a mix of sweet, savory and everything in between. 16. Remolacha Hummus. 17. Passion fruit crème brûlée. Passion fruit crème brûlée is an incredibly unique version of a traditional crème brûlée. 18. Coconut and lemon curd pie. Coconut and lemon curd pie is a lemon lover's dream dessert, with a sweet and tangy kick of the lemon. 19. Coconut bomb cake with cocoa dirt. It's supremely moist and intense coconut flavor cake. 20. Spicy Thai style wings. Spicy Thai chicken wings is a Thai version of buffalo wings. Quick, easy and simply delicious is the best word to this dish. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.